My name is Michael Netzer. I'm a comic book artist. Today I work in the art field in many areas. As a child, I remember well playing with my brothers and sisters with leaves from palm branches. These long leaves, we used to take them and weave all sorts of shapes and images and little cups, bowls, things. That was one of our toys. When I started seeing the work of David Grushko on these baskets and the mandalas and the wonderful creations he's making here, it brought back all of those memories to me, because it's such a personal, handmade product that it's the type of thing that cries art, that cries creativity. I've seen how David works, and I've seen the time that he spends in getting the proper materials for his baskets, especially, but for everything that he does, whether it's in the branches or whether it's in the color or whether it's in the designs that he works on before he starts producing a product. I believe that this is one of the best ventures of this kind that I've seen, at least coming out of Israel. It's not machine-made, it's not automatic. David basically invests everything of himself into every stage of this product. I recommend that everyone go into his websites and take a look at the wonderful array of products he has, and consider well how such a product would enhance your living areas. Thank you.